Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Brett. So out of the whole ecosystem of Bretts on Coinbase, on Solana, and I even think they have one on AVAX, this is the only one that's dying, which makes me kind of wonder what's going on with this one. So if you look at the wallets and you go back through, there's a lot of wallets that they didn't buy. There's a lot of, they're obviously whitelisted wallets. And if you go down here on, I think Deck Screener has this. Let me figure out where to see it. So security issues, go to here. It does have a tax. It's modifiable. They haven't modified it yet. It has a blacklist and it has a whitelist. So if you go back through, there's a bunch of wallets that have a shit ton of Brett on Ethereum that haven't bought it, which means they were either shillers or they are insiders and they are still capping the crap out of this thing. So I don't think they're dumb enough to rug this thing to zero. That way you don't get any money out of it. But what they're doing is, I think, is they're literally capping every rally at this point in time. So I don't know if that's just insiders dumping because they're not smart enough to let it ride back up to the all-time high and then dump. Or there's other stuff that's happening that doesn't make any sense. I mean, otherwise, it's a bullish pattern. I'd expect a breakout. But I did sell some just to limit my losses. And if it goes even lower and still is alive, I'll buy it at a 95% loss. Or from the high. So if you look at the all-time high, I think we're down like 86% or something. So the low was 82. Currently we're sitting at like 80% down. Rule of thumb, like 80 to 90% is good gamble. You get a lot for your money at that point because if you went down, even if we went back up to the all-time high, you know, you're going to gain 400% versus the 80% you lost. So even if you take a loss here and buy back lower, if it comes back up, there's a lot of what ifs here. I don't like how the what ifs are coming out. Wolf is doing well. It's holding up. It has the volume. It hasn't died. It has the narrative. Its Twitter's account and your Telegram is active. The Brett account is not active. There's like 3 posts. So it's making me believe that it's a crock of shit at this point in time. I hate to say that. But if you just search Brett and look at all the other ones that are green, 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 down, green, green, down. So really the only one that's down is the Brett on Ethereum, and that looks to be the fake Brett. So we may have bought into a rug. So we'll see. It could be a slow rug. I don't want to say anything, but I just wanted to bring it to your attention that could go to zero. So I'll leave it at that. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me here at Crypto Blackwall on Twitter in the Blockguard Discord. By the way, guys, people do lose. So you can lose in this one. I already lost 50%. I pulled it out. So bye.